America. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you are aware of when I post. If you're a returner, welcome back, love. This is Crow's Closet, and today I have a super cool haul for you. I went to H&M because I was looking for a turtleneck to go with a pair of dress pants because I had an interview. And of course, in true Fairco fashion, I got a little bit more than what I went in there for. Not too much, but a little bit. So I do have a haul for you today. There's about 10 items in the haul. I do love everything I got. You know what? When I go into a store shopping and I'm not supposed to be shopping, or I go in for one thing, I just justify it by getting everything on sale. So almost everything I purchased at H&M that day was from the clearance racks or from the sale racks. Two things might have been full price. Everything else was on sale. I spent $108.09, so I did really well. Go ahead, clap for me. I did really well, and Babe wasn't mad when I got home, so that's always a good thing. So let's just get into it. So the first thing I grabbed were a pair of trouser pants, or a pair of pants that are wide leg, high waisted. I consider them work pants. So trouser pants. They are navy blue with a white pinstripe in them. They're super long and nice and wide. These were originally $34.99. I got them for $12.99. They are a true trouser. They're a nice thick fabric. They're a really nice fabric. They're of good quality. They come down nice and wide all the way to the bottom. They're nice and long all the way to the bottom. They don't stop at a weird length. At least on my body, In the trousers, I grabbed them in a size 10. A US 10, a European 42. I used to be a size 12, but I guess I lost a little bit of weight, and now I'm back at a size 10. At H&M, I'm probably dropping baby weight finally. I ended up wearing these pants to the interview because I like them better than the pants that I had planned on wearing, and I just paired it with a white turtleneck that is also in this haul. I might as well show you that now, because I can't really show it to you good on camera because, you know, there it goes, washing me out. This turtleneck was $4.99, I think. It's part of the Divided collection. Divided is like juniors at H&M, so you're going to get a smaller fit, but you're also going to get a lower price point in the Divided section. So this is part of the Divided section. I grabbed this in a medium. I love turtlenecks. I think I've said that before. I'm always grabbing turtlenecks. I think I had a white turtleneck in a different haul, my Walmart haul. I'll put it in the cards right here. But I like the way this one fit better. It fit like closer to the body, and the neck was nice and high up, so it scrunched really good. I love a good turtleneck. Next, I got this jumpsuit. Ugh, this fits so freaking nice. It's about ankle length, so it stopped like right above my ankle. It is a wide trouser, and it is in black with a white and like tan pinstripe. Can you see that? It has buttons down the front. I grabbed this in a size 10, and this was originally $49.99. I got it for $15.99. Yay, I love a deal. It is short sleeved. These are real pockets right here. Really pretty. I figured I could wear this to work too. It does come with a tie on it, so I do like that. But you can also wear it without the ties because it does cinch in right here, and my butt looked amazing in it. And again, that's because of where the jumpsuit cinches at my waist. It was just really nice, and at that price point I was like, yes, so exciting. And I can wear it in the fall, in the winter, in the spring, in the summer, because it's short sleeve. In the winter and in the fall, I'll just layer it. Next, I grabbed this leopard print button down, and it's a really basic H&M button down. It's sheer, so you can see through it. I don't know if you can see my hand, probably not. This was $14.99, and I did get this one regular price. I got it in a size 8. I'm in tops there. I'm in between a 6 and an 8. If it's like really stretchy, I get it in like a 6 or a 4, like the turtlenecks, because I do want it to fit snug. But usually I'm a 8 or a 6 at H&M. And again, I grabbed this in a size 8. I love these nice, really lightweight button downs in the wintertime because they go really well under a sweater. It does have buttons all the way down the front. It does have this rouging right here on the shoulder line, but you can't really see it when it's on. So if you don't like details like that, I don't mind it because I don't have really broad shoulders. I don't mind that detail, but if you do have broad shoulders, you do want to avoid anything that has detailing at the shoulder. So you don't want to wear like a princess sleeve, or like rouging at the sleeve, or pleating at, at the collar bone. What is this called? Shoulder. You want to avoid that. Next, I grabbed this jacket. If you have watched any of my other hauls, I have said repeatedly, I do not need any more jackets. There's no reason for me to be buying jackets, but I can never walk past a jacket that's a good price and not buy it. It's bad. Like, I don't even have space in my coat closet anymore. I didn't have space like 5 or 6 jackets ago, but I can't even help it. I keep doing it to myself. So I was about to leave the store and I had to run back because, again, I went in there for a turtleneck and I was grabbing everything but a turtleneck, and I got all the way to the register and was like, I don't have the damn turtleneck that I came in here for. So she sent me into the back section, which is the divided section, again, the junior section in H&M. And before I got to the turtleneck, I saw this jacket hanging out, and I saw it from the back and I was like, oh, that's cute. And then when I got to the front, I was like, girl, look at this. So pretty. It's like, oh, it comes down to like waist length, or not like past waist, so like it covers my butt. Denim jacket with this sheepskin, whatever, fur. It's not all the way, it's lining the lapels of the jacket, but it's not all the way through. But this jacket is so heavy, and it was originally $54.99 and I got it for $33.99. I grabbed it in a small. This jacket fits really, really, really nice. It does have buttons all the way down. Look at those gold buttons, so pretty. And then at the very bottom of the jacket, it ties, so it like cinches in. So if you wanted to scrunch the bottom of the jacket to make it tighter, then it also does do that. This detail right here is a real pocket. Look at how pretty that is. And then it does have a regular front pocket on both sides. The jacket is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Next, I grabbed another pair of trouser pants because I need them for work, damn it. So I grabbed these. I really, really, really like this print and the colors. Super pretty and super wintry in my opinion. These, again, were on sale. They were originally $34.99 and I got them for $22.99, and also in a size 10. They are a wide leg, I guess like gaucho length, so they do stop mid-calf, mid-shin, mid-calf, whatever. There are front pockets and no back pockets, which is really standard for a pair of dress pants. These fit so nice, and again, they are high-waisted, so they do hit me at like the perfect height. Again, with a pair of ankle boots, or maybe a little bit higher, like calf boots, would be perfect with these in the winter time. And then they're a nice heavy material, but they're also light enough that I can wear them year round to work. They're just gorgeous. I really do like this pattern. Here's another tip. If you are top heavy and you want to put more emphasis on the lower half of your body, you're going to wear print on the lower half of your body with a solid top at top. That's going to make your top appear smaller. It's going to bring more attention down to the pattern, or at the bottom half of you. So you girls that like to show your butt, not show your butt, but you know what I mean, bring some emphasis to your butt, or you girls that have a bigger chest and want to bring emphasis away from your chest, you wear a pattern at the bottom half of your body. Next, I grabbed this. It's just like a t-shirt. It's like a low V t-shirt. I guess it's a wrap shirt. It does kind of peplum, but not too much. This was $17.99 and I got it for $7. I grabbed it in a medium. It does have a button right here just to close the V a little bit, so you can wear it completely open and then you can also close it. So this is a great shirt that'll go from work to play, or from like work to happy hour. Just pop that little button open, you know, and you're ready for play. I'd probably wear clothes, but this fit really nicely. It's really cute and really versatile. I can also wear this over a turtleneck. I love me a damn turtleneck, but I can also wear it over a turtleneck, and it is a real tie right here, so you can adjust. Let's see. You can adjust it. It also has another button in here, so it does open all the way. I'll show you. It does open all the way. It's really cute. It's black, my perfect winter color. I love black in the wintertime. I love black, period, but my family doesn't look at me like I'm going to a funeral in the wintertime. when I'm wearing black. In the summer, they're like, girl, it's summer. I really do like black. So this was like a no-brainer, $7. Of course, I was grabbing it. Next, I grabbed a pair of jeans. High-waisted jeans. They have a really pretty split in the front. Can you see that? Which I thought was really cute. They're just a regular pair of jeans. They do have this stitching going down the middle of the pants. That's like a really pretty detail. This is like my favorite color wash because it's like perfect for work also. The stitching is a good color. I'm always talking about the damn stitching in the pants, but really stitching can like make or break a pair of jeans, and this has really good stitching color. It's like a regular neutral color. I grabbed these in a size 30, a European 30, and they were $29.99, and I got them for $12.99. So again, another pair that I got on sale, which is always a good thing. The detail in the front is really nice because you can dress them up or dress them down. That split in the front looks amazing with a pair of heels. Pants like this also come like with a split in the back or split in the side. Just a split is a really pretty detail to add to our skinny jeans. For us girls that still love skinny jeans, even though they're supposed to be going out of style, they will not go out of style for me, okay? Because they're perfect for my body shape and my body type. I love skinny jeans. So if you're still into skinny jeans like me, damn it, the detail down the front is perfect because, you know, it just adds a little bit of flair to your skinny jeans. Next, I grabbed this shirt. Again, it's in a pinstripe, and this pinstripe is pretty because the shirt is black and the pinstripe is white, and then there is a skinny green line in that. Really pretty. It does cinch down at the wrist with a button, and then it has a button again in the back with the horizontal stripes across the shoulder blades, and then there's a button to close this, and has like a little, you know, just a little peep there. Again, if you have broad shoulders, this is something you want to avoid. The lines, the horizontal lines that go across your shoulders, you're going to want to avoid that if you have broader shoulders and you don't want to bring attention to that. And then the nice vertical lines to make my little short behind look taller. Perfect. This shirt is really good for work. It's thin enough that I can wear it over or under. So I can wear it, you know, like tucked into something. It's really see-through, so if you're wearing to work, you're probably going to want to put a, I don't know if you can't really tell how see-through it is, but it's super see-through. If you're wearing to work, you're probably going to want to put a tank top under this. This is another one of the items that I got full price, $14.99, and I grabbed this shirt in a size 8. And our last item was a sweatshirt. You see that? Super pretty. I don't know how to speak French, so I don't know what it says. I hope it says something nice and I'm not walking around offending people. But I thought the color was really pretty, and this color looks really nice on my skin tone. So I do love mustard yellow. I grab it whenever I find it. And it's just a sweatshirt, and it fits really pretty. It's just a sweatshirt. I grabbed it in a large because it was the last one left, and it was cute. And it was originally $24.99, and I got it for 50% off. I don't know why it was 50% off, but it was. So I got it for, what is that, 11 whatever, $12 basically, $12.50. So I hope you liked that. I had so much fun shopping. I always have fun shopping. The only time I don't have fun shopping is if somebody's coming with me and they're rushing. Other than that, I have fun shopping. Again, I spent under $110. I spent $108 on 10 items. Comment down below and let me know if there are any stores that you want me to do a haul for. I shop online a lot more for the kids than for myself because I like instant gratification when I go shopping, and I want to spend my money and take my clothes home with me that day. So, you know, I don't usually like to online shop, but if there are some really good stores out there that you guys want me to go to, let me know. Comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that red button right there. Press it, press it, press it, and turn on your notification bell so when I post, you know it, right? Because we're like family now at this point. Until next time, bye.